Hi everyone, welcome back to Play Drums the Easy Way. Today we're going to be looking at fills or rolls. We're also going to be playing about 5 drum beats that we have learned without stopping. So we're going to be transposing from one to the other. And we're also going to be looking at, this hip hop, okay, which is an entirely new drum beat from what we have been looking at. We spent some time looking at reggae. All right, I want to say thanks to all those of you who have, subscribed, and you have watched the videos. I want to say thank you so much. So today we're going to be looking at rolls or fills. All right, it's called fills because it's actually filling a slot in the beat. So if you could remember earlier on, we looked at single stroke roll. So we're going to be looking at single stroke roll, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 times you play on each drums. All right, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to add a beat, all right, and do some fills. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we can go even a little faster. So, we're going to add in a beat now, and we're going to actually do a roll or a fill. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to play a little faster and we're going to roll a little faster. All right, so all you need to do, pause the video, all right, take it as slow as possible, and eventually or gradually build your speed. All right, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, so we're going to take it a little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, So again, let's take it from slow, starting off with your single stroke roll, 4 beats on each drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Good. So that's the first one. So let's look at another beat, all right, and we're going to incorporate another rolling style. Right? So this time, we're actually going to be rolling like. Right, so that's our first lesson, okay? Adding in fills, or adding in rolls, all right, which make our music sound a lot nicer and stuff like that. So thank you so much.